How can disabled people find accessible and culturally competent therapy? Imagine trying to find a therapist who truly gets what living with a disability means. It's not always straightforward, but it's definitely possible with some clear steps. When searching for therapy, start by looking for professionals who see disability as part of human diversity. These therapists understand that disability involves physical, mental, and social challenges, not just medical issues. They use approaches that respect your experience without making your disability seem like a problem to fix. Next, think about your specific accessibility needs. Do you need a wheelchair-accessible office? Do you prefer sessions that are shorter or include breaks? Are you comfortable with virtual meetings? Many therapists now offer online therapy platforms that work well with screen readers or other assistive technologies. Confirm that the environment or platform can support your communication style and physical needs. Cultural competence is also key. A good therapist should understand disability culture and how it intersects with other parts of your identity, like race or gender. They should be open to discussing topics that might be sensitive or overlooked, such as social isolation or relationships. This helps create a safe space where you can share openly. Open communication is essential. You should feel comfortable telling your therapist what accommodations you need. Whether it's a sign language interpreter, a quiet space, or specific communication methods, your therapist should listen and adapt. Remember, you have the right to ask for what you need without feeling guilty. There are specialized services and online platforms designed for disabled clients. These services often ask about your accessibility preferences upfront and match you with therapists experienced in disability issues. Using these platforms can save time and help you find a good fit faster. Virtual therapy is a great option for many disabled people. It removes transportation barriers and allows you to choose a comfortable, accessible space at home. Just make sure the technology used supports your assistive devices or accessibility features. Knowing your rights is important. You can try different therapists until you find someone who suits your needs. You have the right to informed consent and to communicate your preferences clearly. Don't assume your needs are too complicated or that you can't ask for help. Community groups and disability advocacy organizations can be helpful. They often have lists of therapists who are experienced with disability issues and are sensitive to cultural differences. Asking for recommendations from people who understand your experience can lead you to trustworthy providers. Remember that intersectionality matters. If you face multiple forms of marginalization, your therapist should understand how these layers affect your mental health. This helps in providing support that considers all aspects of your identity. Some disabled clients relying on family members or caregivers during therapy. Therapists should handle these situations with care, respecting your privacy and autonomy. It's okay to set boundaries about who is involved in your sessions. By focusing on these steps, you can find a therapist who respects your experience, understands your needs, and provides mental health support that truly works for you. It's about finding someone who listens, adapts, and makes you feel seen and supported in your journey.